Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to round corners in Adobe Illustrator. It's very simple actually, so let's start right now. Okay, you go and create a new file, new document, here, new doc. Say I always do 3000 and 1005. Okay, okay. To do it, say you want to make around the corners of a square. Okay, say we do it like this. I hold shift so it's symmetrical, and then like that, bam. So right now you want to round the corners. It's super simple. You just directional tool, click directional tool, direct selectional tool. Oh my god, my English.
Why are you crying?
Okay, click it and then drag everything until you see there's 4 dots. You can actually just click one dot and then click and then drag everything until you prefer the rounded corners that you like, and that's it. Actually, it's pretty simple. So let's say you want to make just one corner, so just a direct selection tool, select this area and then click this dot anchor right here, the dot, and then just go down until your preferred corner round edges, and it's pretty simple. Okay, so say I want to make a star tool, right? Select this. Okay, so let's make it look like it's more like Patrick, I suppose. So okay, I select everything, and then I'm gonna click at least one dot right here, and then ta-da, drag, and then I have something like this. It's like a cereal or something, some kind of star cereal. Okay, I change the stroke for a bit, and then right now I wanna make a few errors not rounded, so I'll select these two parts right here. There's three actually, 3 dots, anchors, and then just click it and then drag. So we have removed the round corners on the area. And guys, sorry for my English, guys. Okay, let's say you want to round and a letter. All right, say I wanted to make, let's go for Montserrat. I always use Montserrat. Okay, let's go. Let's say I want let's say A for letter A. So right now, okay, you can't do it like you can't outline it right now, but to do an outline, you just have to press Command or Control on Windows, Shift O, and then you have the option to outline. Or either you could go, okay, or either you could go right click, create outlines, and done. You're done. Now let's say I want to round these edges, bottom edges right here. So I just select this one, the left one, and then drag both of the dots just like that. Another one, both of them, this anchor right here, and there will be dots coming out. Just drag, and now you're done. It's just simple like that. And then the top one, 2 dots right here, 2 anchors, and then there will be dots coming out. You just click it and drag it down, just like that. Super easy, super simple, super quick. I guess that's all for the tutorial. I hope you guys like it, and if you like my content, please feel free to subscribe for more updates. Thanks guys.